Today is a Valley News Live weather alert day.
All right, today's activity mainly in the Northern Valley thus far, but that doesn't mean it's going to continue to be that way. Kyle capturing this large stone here. Lake Bronson getting hit the last 2 nights in a row. Up there in northwest Minnesota, this time 3-inch diameter hail, and that'll leave a mark. And today in North Dakota, this is Sharon area, and out in the field here, you see this. We have a spinning column of air in contact with the ground, but no condensation funnel here in between. So sometimes tornadoes can form. This is a tornado when that vortex makes contact with the ground, but right up here, that's where we have the funnel that's visible. This is the same storm that moved through Northwood. Eric Whitehill was tracking throughout the night and moved to the west reaches in the Emerado area and continued on and is now making its way into Canada as we speak. Now, as we take a look, there is one severe thunderstorm warning in the Roseau area, actually Warroad storm making its way to the northeast at 40 miles per hour. There's a warning until 10:15 here for the next little bit, so for the next 6 minutes or so. Here's a look at the direction of movement. There is the hail core. Looks like it's going to miss Warroad proper, but move more towards the Longworth area as we move through the next little bit. 10:10 the time, or about now here, we should start to see an increase in rain and possible hail there. Also out near the Baudette area, well, we're seeing storms start to exit. So things may be quieting down considerably for most of northwest Minnesota with the exception of northern Beltrami County. These are going to train right through Baudette as well. So we do have the watch remaining in effect in north central Minnesota until 11 o'clock. And here in the Southern Valley, really very little has happened throughout the evening. But that's not going to be the case all night. Here's a look at your current conditions. At Hector International, we have 75, 79 at Moorheads Airport. The wind pretty quiet. The warmth and the humidity is still around. It's 81 in Fergus Falls, 75 Wadena, and we have 69 degrees in Devil's Lake. Factor in those dew point temperatures, and this isn't something that everybody deals with, but dew points in the 60s and 70s are more like what we experience down in the Gulf Coast states. So this is some very sticky, thick air, if you will, air you can chew, if you will. Now, as we go through the overnight hours, things start to light up down south as some energy works its way up. The best chance of strong storms, according to our model run here, is in northeast South Dakota, through the southern Red River Valley and Lakes Country as we go through the deep overnight. These storms could have some punch to them, so we'll head to bed, get a little bit of sleep. But if you wake up and there's thunderstorms out there and you're wondering, first thing you should know, are they severe? Check with us here at Valley News Live. We'll be here all night to let you know what happens, because this is paused at 1:20 in the morning. Fergus Falls, all the way down towards the Wheaton area and Traverse County could see those showers and storms. Then as we go toward daybreak, the intensity of the storms give up, but we'll still have passing showers and locally heavy rain. As we go through the first half of your day, that locally heavy rain will advance through the region. We'll have north winds, cloudy skies, and look at these temperatures. 60s as opposed to 80 to 90 degrees that we saw today. And the rain shower chances continue throughout the day. Gusty northwest winds, 15 to 25 miles per hour. Big time change temperature-wise, and these showers are not expected to be severe. How much more rain on top of what we've gotten? Well, we are expecting precipitation where you see the greens here, a ½ to 1.5 inches of rain, even more under the strong thunderstorms possibly off to the south and east. Top that on top of the rainfall the last 48 hours here in northwest portions of Minnesota, 6 to 8 inches estimated the last 2 days, where you see the yellows and oranges, 2 to 4 inches of rain. So it's been wet the last 48 hours. We did need the moisture. Tyler says we need some more sunshine and lake time. Beautiful shot there. Cooler weather the next couple of days, breezy, 60s. How about that? Wrapping up the work week with some warmer weather. Mike, back into the 75 to 80 degree range. Our next chance of thunder and lightning Sunday into Monday.
What a difference a day can make, huh?
It sure does.
All right,
Absolutely.
thanks. Still